Start by putting a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of the pot. Turn on the stove, put the olive oil in the pan, dump in your garlic. Now, I used about 8 cloves for this. Give it a little stir, make sure the oil is coating the garlic. Once it's going a little bit, stir them so that they don't burn. Next, we're gonna add some beans. Super easy, just dump the whole can right in. Now you can always use other types of beans if you'd like. This is what we find we like. I'd be interested to hear what other types of beans that you would like to put in yours. If you have some ideas, drop them in the comments below. Next, we're going to drain some diced tomatoes. And those will go right in as well. Next, it's going to be 8 cups of water, so we're doing this twice. 1 and 2. Next, we're going to cut off some rind of some Pecorino Romano. I'm going to peel the paper off. And that goes in just like that. Next, we're going to add the chopped spinach. It is a little bit better with fresh, but chopped is good too. Next, we're going to add some crushed red pepper. That looks good. And a few grains of regular pepper. Now we're going to give it a couple stirs. Everything incorporated. And all you do is let it heat on the stove for a while now. Now what you're going to want to do is let it heat through for a little while. While that's going, you can go ahead and make your ditalini according to box directions. Salt your water and bring that to a boil. Once that's boiling, add your pasta. Give that a stir. And we're going to cook for about 9 minutes. After about a half hour or so, you're going to have some soup that looks like this. Continue to let it go. Make sure you stir it every once in a while so that the bottom doesn't burn. And then when you're ready to serve it, use your pasta, put that in the bottom of the bowl, and scoop out your soup, and you're ready to go. Now the nice thing about this soup is you're going to be able to take this for lunch for probably about the whole week. You're going to have about 20 to 25 ounce containers for at least 5 days, plus 2 servings for the night you make it. Now for your convenience, I put a list right here, and I included the prices as of December 2025, locally in Western New York. Well, if you've liked this video, please consider a like, subscribe, or comment. Have a great day, everybody.